Hello everyone, welcome back to the Enoylity Technology. And today we are having an innovative portable vacuum cleaner. This one is from Brigii and it's called the M1 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. It's a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner that can be majorly used to get that instant cleaning operation completed without using a power supply. Now, opening up the box, here we get the vacuum cleaner itself in a nice cylindrical shape, a blow suction nozzle, storage bag, Type-C cable, 2-in-1 suction nozzle, hose and hose nozzle, a hand pump tool, a combination device and a user guide. Talking about the vacuum cleaner, it has a transparent dust cup on the top, and on the center we have the LED on-off switch. Simultaneously on the back we get the Type-C charging port. It gives you a runtime of 25 minutes in a charging hour of 3 to 4 hours. The dustbin have a capacity of 100 milliliter, which also has one touch easy empty bin, which will allows you to empty all the dust in just one go. It also has the dual level filtration system, which includes washable and reusable filters. You can easily detach the dustbin by just unscrewing it. With the 6500 pascals of suction power, it performs the suction operation from the top and a blowing operation from the bottom. The nozzle can easily be used in two ways, either in suction operation or in blowing operation. You can use this to blow the dust inside your keyboards, which is very difficult to clean. With the help of hose, you can easily clean the places which is very hard to reach, for example, the inside section of your drawer. We also get the storage bag, which makes it easy to carry this vacuum cleaner and its all accessories. We also try to perform various cleaning operations. And we are pretty satisfied with the results we get. So now, taking an overall look on the vacuum cleaner, it gives you a runtime of 25 minutes on a charging period of 3 to 4 hours. With the 6500 pascals of suction power, you can easily clean your tables, your keyboards, camera accessories, car interiors, sofa couches and many more. It has one touch empty bin system, so it's easy for you to empty all the dust in just one go. It also has dual level filtration system, which is washable and reusable. It is also very easy to carry around, which makes it a must to carry portable device if you are working in a messy environment. So if you are looking for a way to clean your keyboards or your car interiors, then this is a perfect device for you. So this was all about the Brigii M1 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. I hope you like this video. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel. This is Enoylity Technology and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.